Hello guys, I have a question for you. Do you think this is real human news anchors? Well, actually the answer is no. This is not real human. So guess what? I created this AI powered news anchors. So if you want to learn more how to create a news channel using AI, how to automate all the news video creation process using AI, how I converted a news article into an audio file and then integrated that audio file with this AI powered news anchors, and look at his lips movement, looks very realistic, just like a real human news presenter that is presenting the news, right? Look at this lips movement, guys. I'm going to show you another example. Look at this. Do you think he is real human? Well, actually not. He's not real human. He is an AI powered news presenters that I created. So if you want to learn more, enroll in the course, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Automate Journalism, make news channel with AI news anchors. This is a project-based course where you will learn step by step on how to build a news channel and to create news videos with fully animated and super realistic AI-powered news anchors. This course will give you a whole new perspective about how artificial intelligence is more than capable of revolutionizing journalism. In addition, you will also be amazed by how far AI can automate news videos creation by speeding up the editing process as well as replacing human news anchors with a hyper-realistic artificial intelligence powered news anchors as the substitution, which can be very useful for independent journalists who want to keep their identity secret due to privacy or safety reasons. In the introduction session, you will learn several aspects where AI can be utilized to create news videos, such as converting news scripts to audio and producing animated news anchors to present the news. Then, you will continue by getting to know several news sources like Google News, AP News, and Reuters, as well as learning how to check the potential bias and reliability of the news. This part is very crucial to make sure the news you're planning to cover are actually factual. Afterward, you will get to know several news topic ideas that you should consider, and it is really recommended for you to just pick one and concentrate on that one topic. Once you have chosen your news topic, we will enter the main part of the course where you will be guided step by step on how to create and edit news videos from scratch using AI tools like HeyGen, Horont, and Paradiso. Those tools will enable you to convert text to audio as well as to integrate the audio with the fully animated news anchors that you can customize. Once the video has been created and ready to be uploaded, we will go over a comprehensive analysis on which social media platforms that you should be uploading to. In that sections, we will be mainly focusing on YouTube and TikTok since those two platforms have the most audience and also the best options for video-based contents. Last but not least, at the end of the course, you will learn several different ways to monetize your news channels and how to potentially turn this side hustle into a sustainable media business. First of all, before getting into the course, we need to ask this question to ourselves. Why should we build a news channel? Well, if you were asking this question 5 or 10 years ago, at that time there had not been a lot of independent journalists yet, and most of journalists work for media companies at that time, right? Nonetheless, the situation is totally different than nowadays. As the rise of independent journalism in the past few years, more and more news channels are created on social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Therefore, anybody can be an independent journalist nowadays, and it is very possible to combine it with content creation. The advancements of artificial intelligence technologies in the past couple of years also contributed very significantly where today you can even create news channels and upload videos where you are reporting news without showing your face since you can replace it with AI powered news anchors. Well, we've gone this far guys, but I almost forgot to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Chris and I've been creating more than 45 courses on Udemy. Previously, I worked as an IT consultant for the last couple years before deciding to resign from my job and start running several online businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, including selling online course on Udemy. Regarding journalism, despite the fact that I don't have professional experience in that field, however, I have been helping some of my media agencies clients to utilize AI to fully automate news video creation process for them. Lastly,
I think it's very important for you to know the reason behind me creating this course. Well, I want to bring awareness that nowadays everybody can be an independent journalist, guys. Especially with the help of AI, and it can potentially be a side hustles with amazing future prospects. So yeah, guys, that was brief introductions about myself. Once again, welcome to the course. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.